Hello students, welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep. In today's video, we will be discussing about the notification released by MNLU Aurangabad regarding the vacant seats. Right? So on 22nd of June 2023, MNLU Aurangabad has released a notification saying that 20 seats are vacant even after the 5th round of allotment. Right? 20 seats are there in the BLLB program, whereas 34 seats are vacant still in the BBLLB program. So those students who want to avail or who want to claim these vacant seats have to fill an application form. Remember, this application form is not only for the 20 plus 34 vacancies which are there right now, but they are also for the future vacancies if any arises, right? So if in future, if any vacant seat is established, say a student leaves MNLU Aurangabad, that particular vacant seat will be filled among the students who have filled this application. So make sure that you fill this application to avail the benefit of any future vacant seat as well. Okay. So what is the fees to be paid in this regard? So fee to be paid is 1000 rupees in case of general category, whereas 500 rupees in the case of SC/ST category. Okay. Now let's get into the form and see what are the details that are required to be filled. So once you get to the application form, right, this is the application form which you can find in the notification itself. You will be taken to a Google document which you need to fill. All the details are pretty much, normal details, which are your email address, your name, gender, your Clat application number, and all other details, right? All other simple details, whether you are from Maharashtra or any other state, your mobile number, alternative mobile number, a photo of your Aadhaar card, a photo of your 10th class mark sheet. Make sure it's clear. A scanned copy would be better, both the Aadhaar card and your 10th mark sheet as well as 12th mark sheet. See, why is MNLU Aurangabad asking you for your 10th and 12th mark sheet both, whereas all other national law universities are not asking for the same? You look at the merit list which will be drawn, that will not be drawn solely based on your Clat score. Your Clat score in that merit list will have a weightage of 40%. 20% of the weightage will be given to your 10th class score, 20% weightage will be given for your 12th standard score, and 20% weightage will be given to the personal interview. Right? I will talk about personal interview more, but all these all the required details are to be filled, which is 10th and 12th mark sheets are also needed to be uploaded. Why? Because it will be taken into consideration in order to draw a merit list. Apart from that, you have to fill other basic details. At the end, you will find mention of something called as upload the required document. Right? You have to upload a Clat scorecard in this particular column right now, which is present on your screen, and at the end, you have to upload several documents. What are these several documents which are talking about? Right? So these documents are those which are mentioned on the website of MNLU Aurangabad. So once we visit the MNLU Aurangabad website, you will find mention of those documents. Anyhow, I have extracted those documents list, and right now the list on your screen are the documents which you need to upload. Right? These 10 documents. Right? There are certain documents which you don't need to upload as such, because if you're not claiming, say, reservation of, say, you're not claiming a domicile seat, then you don't need to put your domicile certificate there. If you are from SC/ST category, only SC/ST certificate is required, whereas if you are from OBC, you will have an additional requirement of adding a non-creamy layer certificate. And apart from that, your character certificate, conduct certificate, the transfer migration certificate, your Clat admit card, score card, domicile certificate, as I have told you. If you are claiming benefit under PWD quota, then the certificate to that extent has to be uploaded. Right? There are two particular notes for cadets belong to OBCs: denotified tribe A, nomadic tribes B, nomadic tribe C, nomadic tribe D, special backward class categories. You have to submit non-creamy layer, and this is compulsory, right? And for all these SC, ST, OBCs, denotified tribe A, tribe B, tribe C, nomadic tribe D, and special backward class categories, caste validity certificate is mandatory. So you have to upload all this document in the last column, which is this column. Then there is an option for payment link. You have to copy this payment link, enter this payment link, and then there will be option to pay the fee. As I have told you, the payment is 1000 for general category and 500 for other categories, right? So you have to select the category. Based on that you have to pay the fee, which is 1000 or 500. Once you pay the fee, you will be successfully enrolled to claim a vacancy. Now a merit list in this regard will be drawn on 28th June. So you have to wait till 28th June based on the split which I have told you, 40% your Clat score, 20% interview, 20% this, 20% that. Based on that, a final merit list will be drawn. The last day to fill this application is June 27. So make sure that you apply to this particular application before 27th June night 10. That is 10 p.m. right? And make sure that you don't miss the deadline, because for future vacancies also this particular application is important. Okay, not only for this 34 plus 20 54 vacancies. If in future also the vacancies arises, right, for that to be claimed, it is important that you enroll to this particular application. So make sure that you end up doing this before the deadline, which is 27 June 2020. That's all for today's video. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.